What's going on, YouTube family? Today I'm back with another video with my 2017 Dodge Charger SXT, and today we got a problem. My key fob won't start my car, and I really don't know the cause of it, but everything else works. I'll just give y'all a quick little demonstration of everything. I can hit the unlock button, it'll unlock. I can hit the lock, it'll lock. I can pop my trunk. I pop my trunk, it pop. Oh, don't mind my car, it's dirty, y'all. I can even auto start the joker. Well, I could, but I guess I can't now. That's part of the problem. So I climb in, hop in the seat, and it says remote start disabled, start vehicle to reset. So I put my foot on the brake, and I go ahead and try and push that start button, and I get nothing. So I take the key fob and put it to it, and it still won't say remote start disabled, start vehicle to reset. I don't know what this is. I done changed the battery in my key fob. Actually, I even disconnected the battery and reconnected it just to give it time to reset itself to see if, things happen as mechanics. But even me resetting it, yeah, I could auto start it, but that was pretty much it. So I got a tow truck on the way to take it to the dealership because I called a couple mechanics and they said that they would even take it to the dealership. So if y'all know anything about this, then this key fob, is it a key fob situation, or is it the push start button not wanting to do right? Let me know what it is.
Here she goes.
Alright, YouTube, and there you have it. It's on the tow truck. Gonna get ready to head to the dealership. If you guys, like I say, down in the comments, let me know what you think it could be if you've had this issue before, and I will post another video when I get it back. Yeah. And so, all right. So, like I say, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you had this issue. And like I said, I'll post another video when I hear from the dealership and they tell me what's wrong. All right, till next time.